I might not give a crap because nobody's gonna see it underneath the seat. So in a previous video, you saw me drill all this out so that we could put a new plug in here. But as you can see, it didn't go exactly as planned. You can... Oh. Stop recording. So as you can see, it didn't exactly line up. So, yeah, I have to groove this. We'll do that right now here after I take all this crap off. Alright, so hang on a bit and we'll be underway. So once again, it's Logan here at Grayman Racing. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we're going to take this apart so that we can clean that hole up a little bit so we can put a bolt in it so it mounts properly. And unfortunately, it is going to mangle up the nice and powder coated. I might just spray paint it. I might not give a crap because nobody's gonna see it underneath the seat. Let's set it here for now so it doesn't wander away. And before anybody freaks out about, you know, the paint, I have got the whole thing 3M coated. So it's got a 3M coating on it. So you generally can't scratch it. Generally. Okay. So I like to meet my friend air die grinder. I'm actually using a nice fine little bit rather than something crazy. And because I can't remember the last time I did it, I'm going to put a little bit of lubricant inside the air tool because it stops it from corroding and it lubricates it. Wow! Never had that before. It's generally why you wear safety gear. You'd snap the tip off. Wow. That's impressively annoying. So, looks like there's a possible likelihood that we could be done that quick. So, let me just work my test finger like. That's literally just needed to touch. It fits. It all fits. Voila! Retap new hole, modified the nice black bracket to go with all the rest of the black hardware. You know, black shocks, the black exhaust. I'll have the handlebars all blacked out. So, yeah. For now, I'm gonna take it all off because I'm gonna take the fender off for drilling. But yeah, a quick short video. Thanks for watching, I guess.